Let's connect your Canon PIXMA TS706 printer to your Mac computer using your existing Wi-Fi.
If you don't have an internet connection, don't worry. You can also use the printer's wireless direct function or a USB connection to connect your printer to your computer.
Firstly, make sure your router is available and properly set up, and that you know the name and password of your network. Make sure your printer is plugged in and turned on. Using the operations panel, press the settings button, which looks like this, and make the following selections. Press Wi-Fi setup and then manual connect. The printer will search for existing Wi-Fi networks nearby. Select your Wi-Fi network and press OK. You will be prompted to enter your password and can use the arrow keys to scroll through the letters. Use the OK button to select each one. To toggle between uppercase, lowercase and numbers, press the settings button. When you have finished entering your password, hold down the OK button. The printer will ask you if you wish to apply this password. Select Yes by using the OK button. It will now take a few moments to connect. When it has joined your existing Wi-Fi network, it will read Connected. Press OK. Now let's install the printer's drivers and software that will enable you to get the most from your printer.
On your computer, open a new web browser window and go to canon.com.au. From here, select Support and then Support Drivers and Downloads. Then select the support type, Drivers and Downloads. Fill in your printer's model number and download the software package appropriate to your operating system. Find and open the downloaded file, which has a helper tool to guide you through the steps on your screen. Click Start Setup and begin to follow the prompts. The install will acquire information on the latest software and begin installing, before asking you to select your country or region. The helper tool will then ask you to check your connection method, and having detected your printer on the same Wi-Fi network, will ask your permission to allow your printer to be used with a Wi-Fi connection. Click Yes. The install helper tool will then take a few moments to do some further downloading and process. You will then be invited to add your printer to your computer system preferences. Following this, you will be given the option to conduct a test print or proceed. At this point, your setup is complete. Click Next. You now have the option to download the additional software packages that support all of the functions of your printer. We suggest you make sure all of the software is selected and then click Next. The Install Helper tool will then take a few moments to download and install these additional packages. Following this, you will be given the option to access instructions on how to set up a smartphone or tablet with your printer. You can do this now or at a later time. Click Next. You'll be asked if you would like to create a convenient shortcut to have the online manual for your printer on your desktop. You may choose to do this, but you don't have to. Having made your selection, click Next. Congratulations, your installation is now complete.
And your Canon PIXMA TS706 is now connected to your Mac.